Greetings, everyone. My name is Tony Hollowitz, and thank you for being here for this tutorial about ChatGPT. Now, I had two recipes developed in the previous tutorial about showing you how to use ChatGPT. And I took some of the ingredients I had in my fridge, and I said, you know what? I just want you to tell me a recipe, and then I asked for a second recipe. So now I'm going to do something quite different. I'm going to ask it to write a poem based on the two recipes and ask it to sort of battle it out and give me an idea which recipe is best and create a poem out of that. So bear with me as I prompt this, type in what I'm going to ask it to do. So bear with me. So now after typing that, I'm asking it to create a poem. So let's see what it's done here. There we go. We have a poem. I don't know how close it came, but yeah, it's sort of interesting. So to me, this concept of being able to take something and asking it to write a poem about the two recipes I just asked it to create, man, that's pretty amazing. And I use this example because a while back we went to visit a friend and I asked it to write a poem about the weekend experience just on a whim. I was trying to understand how I could use this. So I just wrote a poem about two recipes using ChatGPT. Actually, I didn't write it, ChatGPT wrote it. So I think this is just an interesting way to look at this and ask it to help you daily. Now, this was not anything but a fun experiment, but that gives you an idea of what it can do. So again, I reiterate, have fun with this and just be playful with it and see what it can do for you. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. You have a great day and be well. Bye now.